Okay, how many acres are in 3 square miles? Okay, let me fix something here real quick. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and draw the chart for step 1 like we've been doing. See if I can leave a little bit more room this time. And again, like I said, the best thing to do is just to go ahead and put one over here, because you're going to put the units that you want along with you would put the units you want on the right. Okay, so write the given units on top. What did they give us? They gave us 3 square miles. So I'm going to do my chart. I'm going to write 3 miles squared. It doesn't look like an M, but it is. There we go. 3 square miles. Next thing, write the desired units on top. We want acres, right? Mm-hmm. So on the right side of the chart, I'm just going to put AC, because that's what we want. We want to get rid of square miles. But let's look at our chart and see, do we need something in between to fill the gap? We actually don't. There is, why not? Somebody explain why we don't need something in between.
Because we already know that there's 640 acres and 1 mile squared.
Yes, there's 640 acres and 1 square mile. Okay, so right in the chart we have 640 acres in a square mile. So when we go to the problem this time, that's our next example. When we go to the problem this time, we only need to fill in the chart once. So this is going to be 640 on the top, right? And 1 per 1 square mile. So in this example, we'll just be multiplying, okay? So we didn't have to do a mediated step this time. So it's just going to be 3 times 640 in the calculator. So 1920. Notice that the square miles canceled. So the answer is going to be in acres. So there are around 2,000 acres in 3 square miles. Makes sense.